In this video, we will learn how we can create multiplayer football game using MIT App Inventor. So let me show you the demo first. Okay.
So here you can see that's the overall game, and in the top bar you can see 60. It means we have 60 seconds to goal. Okay, and that one is football, and you can see donate 1 and 2 for team 1 and for team 2, and you can see team 1 score is 0, team 2 score is 0 right now. Okay, so that's the overall game. Now how we can play this game? So simply this game can play 2 player. Okay, so let me just play this game. Okay, so I have to just drag. Whenever I just touch this ball, this timer will start. Okay, so you can see the timer is start right now. This one ball is moving in the direction. Okay, if I just like this, then in this direction. So suppose you have your friend, so you have to play this football like this. Okay, and here you can see we have only 33 seconds, and let's score. And here you can see team 1 score is 2, team 2 score is 1, time is 0, and you can see team 1 is winner, right? And you can see restart button also.
So here we go. So we are using here MIT App Inventor to create this app. Click on Start New Project, and my project name is Football Game 007. And okay, so that's my first screen of my game. So I'm to use here one start button, okay, to start this game. So for that I'm going to use your layout. In the left side you will find layout option, and just select any vertical arrangement and make it fill parent, and make this width is fill parent. Now change this background color to something black or something, or I'm going to select this pink color. Fine. Now click on user interface and drag and drop the one button. Click on this vertical arrangement and make it center. Align vertical should be center. Click on this button. Change the stats to start game, and change this background color of this button. Go to the custom, and I'm to select this one like this. Okay, fine. Click on OK. Then change this font size of this button to 20. Make it font bold. Change this color to white. Fine. That's fine. But you can design more attractive this page. For that, let's just search here football, and you will get a lot of images. Like, see, there are a lot of images. So you can use any image here. Okay, so let me just use this football stadium, this one image. Okay, and we will display here one button. So click on free download and download at least, yes, a smaller file. Now go to the MIT App Inventor, click on this vertical arrangement, and you can see the image option, upload file, and drag and drop this file like here. Okay, so here you can see that's the football football ground, and here we have one button, start game. Okay, you can change this button align to in the left, in the right, or you can align vertical to top also, or you can make it bottom. It's fine. Okay, you can decide yourself, or you can design this more attractive. Okay, and I'm to make it in a center. It's fine. Fine. Now that's our first screen. Okay, now whenever someone click on this start game button, so we have to hide this vertical arrangement. Okay, and we have to display another one. So make it visible off and drag and drop your one more vertical arrangement like this one, and in this, that one is our main screen for playing game. Okay, so I'm to make this background color to green to display this as it's just like a ground, football ground. Okay, fine. You can use some images also here, but I will prefer color. Okay, now click on this drawing animation, click on canvas, and make it hide as fill parent, width is fill parent, and change this background color also to green. Simply. Now here you can see the option of image split. Drag and drop one image split here, and second one image split is here. And now click on again image split, and this should be here, third image split in the center. It means that one is our football and that one is our need. So click on this football, it means image split 3, and then click on picture, upload file, click on choose file, and you can see the option of football game, and select this one wall.png. Okay, you can use any other wall also. Okay, no problem with that. And now we have to set this height should be 100 pixel, and to make it width is 100 pixel. It's fine, but it's too big. Okay, so that's why I'm going to make it 50-50. So this will look fine for our screen. Okay, that's good. Right, now we need here to need, so just click on this image split one, make it with this fill parent, and then click on this picture option, click on upload file, click on choose file, and you will find this one need. Okay, so just select this one and click on OK and wait some seconds. Sometimes you will see the different picture in your phone whenever you test this app, so you have to arrange all these picture X or Y position according to your on phone, according to MIT App Companion. Okay, so let's make it height is around 100 pixel. Let's see how it's work. It's fine, but this should be more like which should be like some pixel. If I just make it 300 pixel, oh, it's too small, so I'm to make it 700 pixel, then see how it's look. Okay, so it's not look pretty fine, so I'm to make it 200 pixel. How it's look? This one is also look not good, but don't worry about that. Now what you need to do, you have to test this app in Connect and AI Companion, then see how it's really look. Okay, because that's the matter here. That's not matter. The matter is how this app will look after building our app, or after the APK, or after whenever we test this app using AI Companion. Okay, so make sure you have to test this app in Companion, or you can use emulator also, and then click on this one image split 2, and make it picture, another upload file, choose file, and you will find this one, copy this one. Okay, fine. Now I'm to make this one is also fill parent is 400 with this, and make it height is 200. Fine. See how this one is look. This one is also look like very large, so you can make it like, you can see 700, 200. So I'm to make it this 300. See how this one is look. This one is look pretty fine, right? It means this one is 300 and 200 height. So if I just make it 300, then see how it's look now. Yeah, yeah, it just look fine, perfect. But make sure you have to test this on AI Companion and work according that. Now that's the overall design for our this main screen. Now we have to design our final screen, it means game over screen. So let me just hide this one. Vertical arrangement should be visible off, and click on user interface, sorry, layout, and make it one more vertical arrangement, and make it fill parent, and make it hide as fill parent like this. Change this background color to green, and now we need here one label. Okay, and we need here one button, and in this label we will just write here winner. Okay, and click on vertical arrangement and make it in a center, make it align horizontal to center. Click on winner and change this font size to 30, and we will change this label value dynamically. If someone is winner, then we will winner. If someone is lost, or who is winner, we have to display here team 1 is winner or team 2 is winner. Then we will add one string here, team 1 is winner or team 2 is winner, dynamically. Okay, so click on this button and change this text to restart game, and change this font size to 20 at least. Make it background color to something pink, and I'm to change this vertical arrangement background color to black, and change this text color to something pink, or I'm to change this background color to custom, and I'm to make it like this, and make this fine. Okay, so now restart button, and that's the winner. Who is winner we will display here. So now we have three screens: vertical arrangement 1, last screen, main screen, and that's the fourth screen. Okay, so that's the design. Okay, and let me just hide this vertical arrangement 3, and that one is for main, and that one is for vertical arrangement 1. Now Whenever someone click on start game button, so we have to start our game and we have to hide this vertical arrangement. Okay, so now go to the block section. Whenever someone click on this button 1, no, not this, this should be from vertical arrangement 1, this one. So whenever someone click on this button 1, so we have to hide this vertical arrangement. Make sure this should be set visible, should be false, and then we have to enable another vertical arrangement. It means main, this one, vertical arrangement 2 should be true. Okay, now that's the whenever we start a game. So whenever we click on this button 1, and now that one is hide like this and this one is visible now. So you can see that's the main screen. Okay, so whenever someone dragged this ball, okay, and start kicking this ball, so we have to start timer. So we need here two things more. That first one is timer and second one is for score and the like score and timing. So for that, let me just put one more layout. Click on layout and you can see horizontal arrangement. This one, put this one here. Okay, here, fine, and make it with this fill parent and make this height is around 10% to display the time. So and drag and drop your label like this. Click on horizontal arrangement. Make sure this background color black. Label should be white or something like this. Change this font size to around 20 and click on horizontal arrangement and make it in a center and make it this should be center and change this label to value to something. I'm going to make it 60. You can make it 10, 20, 120, whatever. Now we have to just drag and drop one more layout, horizontal arrangement here, fine, and make it also with this fill parent. And then we need here four labels. Okay, four labels, 1, 2, 3, and that one is 4. Okay, now click on label 3, fine, and change this to something team 1 score like this. Okay, and change this text color to white and change this horizontal background color to black like this and make it like you can make it 3 and make it 20 or 18 at least. Okay, and then click on label 4, make it 18, make it text size white, make it score 0 like this, and you have to do it for level 5 also. Font size 18, make it text white and make this text to something team 2 score like this. It's fine. Click on level 6 and make it white and then make it text 0 and make it 18 and make this one is fine. Nothing. Great. Now click on this horizontal arrangement and make this one in a center and make this should be a center. It's fine. Perfect. Now that one is designed. Now go to the block section. Whenever someone dragged this ball first time, then we have to start this timer. So for that we need a timer also. In the left side you will find sensor option and you can see clock. Just drag and drop this and make sure this should be disabled. Okay, unchecked. Now go to the block and whenever someone dragged the ball and ball is, it means click on this ball, you can see image split 3. Okay, so click on this image split 3 and here you will find dragged. When image 3 dot dragged, then we can start the timer. Okay, so for that we have to check first condition, timer is start or not. So for that we will use your control and if here like this and then logic. Let's click on logic, make it here and then check the timer is enabled or not. Click on clock and you can see the clock dot time enabled, this one is equal to true. So just type here true. Okay, and if this one is equal to true, it means timer is 2, then we have to set, then we will set image split 4 dot speed. We have to set the speed for image split 3. So you will find this one here, this image split 3, and you can see the set image split to 20, 30, whatever you want. That really doesn't matter, but make sure this should not be a make sure this should be around 20. It's fine. Okay, now that one is condition, and we have to use here one more thing, that let's use here else block also. Okay, then if timer is not enabled, then what we will do, in the else part we will make it enable. Okay, so for that you just need to click on clock, and here you can see the timer enable set clock 1 dot timer enable should be true. Fine, that's great. Now we need to drag the ball. Okay, so for that we will call here simply image split 3, click on it, and you can see point in direction here, and drag and drop this here, and we need to set x, it means current x value, this one current x, and then that one is current y value, simply. And make sure this should be copy and paste here also, like this, simply. Okay, now this is fine. Now we need to add here whenever this ball is reached the edge. Okay, so for that click on this image split 3, and you can see the edge reached this one block, and I'm to make it here like this. And whenever this reach the ball, then we have to make our speed. Here you can see the we have set the image split speed 20, so we have to make this speed to 0, and this ball should be moved to the inner center. So for center we need to find the value. So you will find the default value, like here you can see this value is 130 and 160. So x is 130. You can copy this here from you, just x and this y value, and the x is 130, and the y you can make it, where is this y value? Y value is 160. Okay, so y value is 160, like this. Okay, now we have to code for score. Okay, how we can increase the score? So for that, whenever click on this image split, and you can see whenever image split 3 collide with, okay, so we have to check, click on this control, and you can see if condition, make this logic here, and if this image split collide with this one, it means this one is image split 1, then we have to score team 1. Okay, so go to the block, if the collide with this image split 1, this one, and equal if true. Okay, or sorry, this is not other, you can make it other here and make it here. If the other image split collide with image split 1, then we have to increase the score. So how we can increase the score? And you can see the score is 0 right now, it means level 4. So we have to simply increase the level 4 value. So for that click on level 1, and you can see set level 1 dot text here, and then we have to increase the value. Click on maths, and here we will find the plus icon like this one here, and we have to get the current value of our level. So click on level 4, and you can see the level 4 1 dot text, this one, get here, and we have to increase the 1 value 1 by 1. So just drag and drop it here and make it 1, so to do 1. Okay, now if this one is not an image split 2, then else if just copy paste this one code here like this, and the get is image split 3. Okay, sorry, image split 2. Then we have to set value change. So let me just check everything's fine. Now this one is image split 2, and this score level is level 6. So we have to change level 6 value and increase this value in level 6. Simple. Okay, so that's the code for increasing the score. Okay, now we have to done code for how we can make it game over. Okay, so for that we will check the counter, and we have to decrease this one counter also. So how we can do this? Go to the block, and you can see the timer, and when clock 1 dot timer, okay, then we have to check condition here. First, if click on this control option and drag and drop this if here, if the level value is equal to 0. So which label value is 0? It means this one label. Label 2 value is 0. So let's check. I need to make it copy paste one thing, that let me just copy paste this one here and remove this label for this one, copy paste this one and drag and drop it here. Label, this should be label 2. Label 2 value is 0. Okay, if the label 2 value is 0, like this, make it, then we will use here one more condition, one more else. Click on control and you can see if on this clock timer we have to check who is winner. Okay, but on this timer we have to decrease this label value also. So out of all these conditions we will do one thing, just copy paste this value here like this, and our label value should be 2 and we have to decrease the value here. Click on math and you can see the minus, drag and drop this here. Label 2 should be decreased by 1 and this will decrease by 1 up to 0. Okay, now whenever this one take call, one timer call in every second, so this label will check label 2.text is 0, then we have to check, it means game over, it means we have to check who is winner now. Okay, so for that we will check here simply if we have to check logic here. Click on logic, sorry, in a maths, and you can see this one, if the label value is greater than or less than. So go to the design, you can see this one is level 4 and this one is level 6. Okay, if the level 4 is greater than level 6, if level 4, it means just copy paste this one and this one. If level 4, it means this one, level 4 is, this one is less than, this one is greater. If level 4 is greater than level 6, fine, level 4 is greater than level 6, then the team 1 is winner. Okay, so now the team 1 is winner. Then for that you can see this one, vertical arrangement third, level 1. So level 1 text, level 1 text should be who is winner, the team 1 is winner. Okay, so team 1 is winner simply. Okay, else if, we have to use the else if the level 4 is less than level 6. So for that we have to set this level 1 value is team 2 is winner. Okay, if the value is equal or if nothing, then else we will set this simply label the game is tie. Okay, the game is tie. Okay, simply. Now that's the code. Now we have to code for restart button. Okay, so whenever someone click on this button too, it means restart button. So we have to set this level 2 value. Okay, so level 2 value should be 60 again. Okay, so set this value, set level value should be 60. Okay, and the speed of our image spread, this one, where is image spread 3, this one image spread 3 value, set speed, this should be set speed should be 0. Okay, this one simply, and we have to set all these label value also. So for that just check it out first again, like this one is level 4 and this one is level 6. It means we have to set all these level 4 and 6 values should be 0, right? It means level 4 value is 0, level 6 value is 0. Fine. Whenever we click on this restart button, so make sure we have to hide first this one vertical arrangement. Which one? Third one vertical arrangement. It means vertical arrangement 3 should be visible here. 3 should be visible false And okay, and we have to done one more thing, make it this one true. Which one? Vertical arrangement 2. If the game is over, then we have to hide this vertical arrangement 2 also. So how we can check? Okay, so if the level 2 is 0, level 2 value is 0, it means game over. Okay, so we have to call here one procedure, and we have defined one procedure now. So click on this procedure, this one here, and we have to call one procedure here, and you can do without procedure, but we have to repeat code, so you can create procedure. So let me just do it simply. Okay, here, so if the team is win, okay, if everything is whatever happened, if the level 2 is 0, then we have to display make it true, and we have to make this one vertical arrangement 2 should be false. Okay, if level 2 dot text equals 0, then okay, so that's the overall game we have created. If you have some doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Please like this video also, please. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.